sum it all, completely changing tracks completely. It was kind of an experiment with chord structure and Alberti bass. I have never really written classical, so kind of goes a little bit around myself, but I quite enjoy it. And I called it Raindrops. I don't know why I gave it such an emotional, weird name, but it reminds me of a very light storm. Okay, I'm just making sure. Sorry. So